Hello everyone, I Siddhi Deshmukh along with my team member would firstly like to thank the organizing committee for providing such a great platform. We are very honored to present a brief demonstration as a part of NetScout and Shooting Star Foundation Hackathon 2023 on theme Tech for Good. So these are my teammates along with their roles. So I would like to start with the objective or the problem statement that we have worked upon. Currently, the hospitals store patients' vital medical information using conventional techniques, which makes that information indirectly vulnerable to numerous attacks and cyber attacks. Since medical data is very sensitive, exchanging data and protecting privacy in centralized digital health record systems are major issues nowadays. We therefore suggest a decentralized medical data sharing and storage application based on hospitals' public blockchain to improve the hospital's digital health system.
So the solution for this problem is that we will implement immutable hyperledger database technology called blockchain that will be accessed only by the authorized person. So we have to implement this solution to any state government official website like smart city, so that only hospital with an authorized person can get the previous medical details of that person or the patient. So now we will be seeing the actual demonstration of our project. like like this is an smart city website, government website, in which doctor will log in as an doctor, in which we will be he will be entering his credentials and log in as a authorized person.
So as authorized person is logged in, he can add patient information in blockchain. Now we will be adding one patient information to the blockchain. So we have connected the front end to the back end using the Web3 HTTPS server. We could have also done it using the EtherJS HTTPS server network. So the Web3 directly contacts with the MetaMask for the cryptocurrency wallet and for the user authorization. We have also provided an OTP request feature so for taking the patient's consent on the issue. So as soon as we are registering the information, so as soon as we complete registering the information, we are going to click on a register button, which is going to create a transaction instance. As soon as transaction gets completed, a new data block of the patient's information will get added into the blockchain network. So basically we follow a consensus mechanism which is depending on the trust of different participating nodes in the Ethereum network for the validation of our transaction, which is then get added to our main network. And then now we are going to retrieve the data from our blockchain. So basically during the retrieval of the data, there is no transaction instance created. You can directly say that a data gets directly retrieved from the blockchain without any cost. So it is very cost effective and power effective, as there is no usage of any means of power or logical means to get the data back. So here we have also created the instances for different concerned authorities for their registration, such as doctor registration, patient registration, and especially the most important one, the medical record. So here is simple demonstration of the medical records. So there is an instance of the medical records. So there is that we have retrieved the data of the patient's medical record. There is a past history, there is insurance history. So we can say that blockchain is immutable, secure, scalable, and immutable.
So we saw the demonstration of our project. Now the wow factors are as listed below. The first one being decentralized data storage, which is a method of data storage where data files are stored across a series of geographically distributed nodes that are connected using peer-to-peer networking. The next one is using decentralized authorization using cryptocurrency wallet named as MetaMask, which is one of the most famous and used cryptocurrency wallet. We have implemented Web 3.0 web technology. We have used unique hash for creating every transaction involving the process of adding data to blockchain. We are using SHA 256 hashing algorithm for this purpose. And all the above features makes this technology robust and synonym of trust. So what we learned from this hackathon, this was our first ever hackathon. We learned teamwork, used some unfamiliar tools and technologies, got the feedback from industrial experts, learned on how to think creatively and innovatively to come up with unique solutions which can solve real world problems. So we will surely implement this all knowledge which we gathered from this hackathon in future hackathons and coding competitions. Thank you.
Finally.